Hey word workers, welcome to WordWork for another lesson on base words. In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. Let's get started exploring the exciting world of base words. The base word in this video is man. Here are some words related to the base word. Batsman, chairman, congressman, doorman, fireman, fisherman, foreman, gentleman, human, policeman, postman, seaman, spokesman, sportsman, statesman, stuntman, workman. Now learn how to use each word in a sentence. The batsman hit the ball with the bat. The chairman led the monthly meeting. The congressman represents the people in the government. The doorman greeted the guests as they entered the building. The fireman put out the fire using water and a hose. The fisherman caught a big fish in the river. The foreman supervised the workers on the construction site. The gentleman opened the door for the lady. A human can think, feel, and make decisions. A policeman helps to maintain law and order. The postman delivered letters and parcels. The seaman sailed across the ocean on a ship. The spokesman spoke on behalf of the union. The sportsman played soccer and scored a goal. The statesman is a respected leader in his country. The stuntman performed daring and exciting stunts. The workman repaired the broken lock. Now let's review. Man, batsman, chairman, congressman, doorman, fireman, fisherman, foreman, gentleman, human, policeman, postman, seaman, spokesman, sportsman, statesman, stuntman, workman. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.